Grasshoppers, once regarded as an agricultural menace, have multiplied at an astonishing rate, now outnumbering the human population by staggering margins. Yet instead of viewing them solely as a threat, China has taken a bold and innovative path, transforming these insects into a thriving billion-dollar industry. Currently, China is harvesting and stockpiling around 500 million grasshoppers annually to meet the soaring global demand, which now surpasses 1,000 tons per year. But how exactly did they manage to achieve this remarkable transformation? Join Noel as we delve into the fascinating journey of how a once unwanted pest has become a valuable commodity. Controlled breeding and rearing. Upon being introduced into designated enclosures, the grasshoppers are closely monitored and allowed to reproduce naturally under controlled conditions. Typically, within 30 to 35 days, adult grasshoppers begin the reproductive cycle. Females use their ovipositors to burrow into the soil, laying hundreds of eggs at a time. To ensure consistency and optimal development, the breeding process is carefully managed. Eggs are collected, incubated under precise temperature and humidity conditions, and then redistributed into new enclosures. This system ensures uniform growth, reduces mortality rates, and maximizes development efficiency. Nutrient-rich diet and rapid growth. During the adult phase, grasshoppers are fed intensively, especially around molting periods when their bodies require additional nutrients to regenerate their exoskeletons. Thanks to their highly efficient digestive systems and rapid metabolic rates, they grow quickly, often reaching full maturity in just a few weeks. Their resilience and adaptability make them particularly suitable for mass rearing in low-cost, sustainable environments, contributing significantly to their commercial appeal. Harvesting at peak maturity. The ideal time to harvest is in the evening, when grasshoppers are least active and tend to rest on enclosure walls or nets. At full maturity, they measure 4 to 6 centimeters, have fully developed wings, and exhibit firm body composition, traits that signal their readiness for collection and processing. A culinary staple across Asia. In China and other Southeast Asian countries, grasshoppers have evolved from being pests to versatile culinary ingredients. They are featured in a wide range of dishes: deep-fried, stir-fried with aromatic lime leaves, roasted with sea salt, or seasoned with regional spices, each preparation reflecting the culinary heritage and preferences of local communities. Packed with protein, low in fat, and environmentally sustainable, grasshoppers now occupy a prominent spot in the emerging alternative protein market. Their rise highlights a paradigm shift in how food systems can adapt to climate challenges and global demand. The art of craftsmanship. European cured meats. While China refines insect farming into a scalable industry, Europe continues to elevate centuries-old food traditions, like the making of premium cured hams and artisanal sausages. These culinary masterpieces are celebrated not just for their taste, but for the artistry and tradition embedded in every bite. In 2024, some cured hams were valued at up to $3,000 USD per unit, with global annual production reaching tens of millions. Now, join Null Farm as we uncover the origins and process behind these gourmet treasures. From pasture to plate, the life of Iberian pigs. Raised in semi-wild conditions within the vast Dehesa, a unique pasture forest ecosystem covering 7.4 million acres across southwestern Spain and Portugal, the pigs roam freely, foraging on a natural diet rich in acorns and wild herbs. This lifestyle directly enhances the flavor, texture, and quality of The meat. The curing process. The ham begins its transformation in a cold curing room, where temperatures remain below 3 degrees Celsius (37.4 degrees Fahrenheit) and humidity exceeds 90%. This allows even salt penetration without drying out the surface. After salting, the hams are hung upside down for about 90 days. During this period, humidity decreases gradually while temperatures rise slowly, an environment that allows the meat to breathe and its complex flavor to develop. Mark of authenticity. Only the highest quality hams receive an official heat-stamped seal, a symbol of authenticity that details the origin, production date, and certified producer. This guarantees both traceability and quality assurance for consumers worldwide. Precision slicing and presentation. For premium sliced products, the ham is pressed into uniform molds, then lightly chilled to achieve the perfect firmness for slicing. Industrial slicers with ultra-sharp blades cut the meat into paper-thin slices, as fine as 0.5 millimeters, preserving its texture and richness. Salt-cured sausages, another prized delicacy, undergo weeks or months of aging. Their casings, natural or synthetic, contribute to their unique texture, flavor, and drying speed. After aging, the sausages are smoked using aromatic wood that infuses them with their signature savory aroma. A culinary legacy. Each slice of ham or sausage reflects generations of tradition, offering not just nourishment, but a refined cultural experience. These foods embody the essence of Western European cuisine, where every stage, from foraging to curing, is carried out with precision, care, and artistic dedication. As our journey concludes, we celebrate not just the technical mastery involved, but also the deep-rooted passion and respect for tradition that make these foods truly exceptional.